Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1901. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface 1901 only works when plugged in, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a failing battery or a faulty charging port. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable without a constant power supply. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery for your Surface 1901. First, let's ensure we open the device safely. Start by powering off your Surface 1901 completely. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It's usually situated near the center of the device. You'll need to disconnect the battery connector first. Gently lift the connector with your fingers or the plastic tool. Now, you'll see the screws securing the battery in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If it feels stuck, check for any additional connectors or cables that may be holding it in place. Take your replacement battery and place it in the same position as the old one, aligning it correctly. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it clicks back into place securely. Before reassembling the device, double-check that there are no loose cables or components that might interfere. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the screws to secure the battery in position. Once everything is tightened, carefully position the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your Surface 1901 to ensure it functions properly without being plugged in. If everything works as it should, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to charge your device regularly and avoid letting it drain completely too often. Also, consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power spikes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.